Yeah, good day, guys. It's another wonderful moment. I welcome you to my channel, Tutor Bliss, and I want to appreciate every one of you that has been engaging on this channel. Thank you so much. So, a lot of requests I've received, and it's under moment of force, and I choose to solve some questions under moment of force, and also establish what moment of forces are, and let's see what we can do with moment of force, both in WAEC, NECO, and JAMB. And in case you have any question, please do well to enter into my DM. You will drop a message on the comment section, and I promise you I'm going to respond to every questions and every request. Thank you so much. Now, moment of force is under equilibrium of forces, as we all know, whereby we discuss about equilibrium, stable, unstable, and neutral equilibrium. So under this moment of force, I have these beautiful questions displayed on our screen, and it's typically a wire question. Okay, so I welcome you guys. Okay, now what is moment of force? Moment of force is the moment of a force about a point. Please, you have to understand that statement. It's about a point. It's about a point. Is the product of the force and the perpendicular distance of its line of action from the point. Again, we have the point, we've been mentioned the point like twice. So what do you mean by this point? What we mean by this point, they are called the point of fulcrum or a point of pivot, whereby a plane or a plane substance is being placed on a pivot, and we are expecting it to gain a balance or to gain an equilibrium by we suspending some certain masses on both the left and right, so that we can get our point of equilibrium. So those masses there is we believe that those masses there is exerting a certain forces, whereby we have them in a Newton most time. I know that Newton can easily be converted to kg. I think 1 kg is 10 Newton. I hope you all know that. So if you don't know that, 1 kg is what? Is 10 Newton. It can easily be converted. So actually, let us just go straight to the point. Are you with me? So in the process of me solving these questions, I can actually share more light on moment of force. Okay. Now, I said earlier that moment of force is a moment of a force about a point. It's the product of the force and the perpendicular distance of its line of action from the point. That means a moment of force is actually an expression, as we can see from this. Let's solve this. I said a moment of force is equal to what? The force in Newton times what? The perpendicular distance in what? In meter. Now, this is what the moment of force stands for. Now, to solve this question, now for me to explain what we mean by point we have been measuring since. So let's solve these questions we have there. Now, the uniform bar 15 centimeter long is placed on a pivot. Placed at its midpoint. A boy of mass 55 kg sits on one arm of the bar at a point 5 meters away from the pivot. What mass can be placed 2 meters away from the other end of the bar to keep bar horizontally? So what we are saying is that we have a bar, a pivot. A bar was being placed on this pivot is 0 to 15 meter long. So what, according to the question, I said a uniform bar 15 meter long is placed on a pivot placed at the midpoint. That means this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. That means from here to here is 15. That means this midpoint is what? Is the center. That means from here to here is 7.5, and from here to here is 7.5. Are you with me now? So this is where it's being pivoted. This is where from here to here 7.5, from here to here is what? 7.5. Good. So now 50 centimeter long on a and midpoint. Okay, a boy of mass 55 kg sits on one arm of the bar. 55 kg sit on one arm of the bar. This is where the boy seated. 55 kg. This is the boy sitting. The mass. This is the mass of the boy. You understand? We believe that this mass that is being hanged at this end is exerting a force at this end. Now, if a mass of 55 kg is being exerted here at this end, you know that it won't be balanced. That means this plane or this bar that's been pivoted, we bend to this side. Are you with me now? There will be imbalance. That's just the meaning. You understand? Now, let's continue with the question. They said 55 kg sit on one arm of the bar at a 0.5 meter away. Sorry. Where this one is being exerted on the bar is what? 5 meter away. Away from what? From the pivot. 5 meter away from the pivot. That means the distance from this to this is 5 meter away from the pivot. Do you get that now? So let's continue with the question. What mass can be placed 2 meters away from the other end of the bar to keep the bar horizontally? What they mean by that statement is that what mass can be placed 2 meters away? That means from here is away, not from the pivot. This other statement is away, not from the pivot. Now, this away is at 2 meters. Let's assume this is 2 meters away, because they say the in other hand. They say what mass can be placed. So we don't know this mass. This mass is unknown. Now, from the definition of moment of force, said that what moment of a force is a moment of a force about a point. Is a moment of a force about a point. What makes this moment a moment is the force exerted to the point that is being pivoted. Is the force exerted to the point that is being pivoted. Now, we know the distance from here to here, but we don't know the distance from here to here. That's a big concern. But we know the distance from here to here. Are you with me now? But this question has made this work very easy. We have it from 0 to 15. That means from here to here is 7.5. From here to here is what? 7.5. That means if from here to here is 2 meters, from here to here will be what? Will be 5 meters. Very simple. So as we now know, the formula for our moment of force is the what? Is the moment of the anticlockwise and what? Moment of what? The clockwise, which is F times M for anticlockwise equal to what? F times M for the what? For the clockwise. So this is the clockwise moment, while this is the what? Anticlockwise moment. Very easy, very simple. So here now we have, this is the mass, which is giving us our force exerted. Because if this mass is suspended, there will be force that is pushing it down. So we take this as our force exerted, and this is our distance, and this is our force exerted, which we don't know. We are asked to find, and the distance from the point that is being pivoted, the mass to the distance of the point that is being pivoted. That's the meaning of moment of force. So that will be 55 times 5 equal to, what's the mass? Well, the mass given here, we don't know, which is our F times 5 meters away. Now, if you notice that we didn't use this 2 meters because it's not obeying the principle or the definition of a moment of force, because this is 2 meters away, not 2 meters to the pivoted point. Do we get that now? So very easy. So now if you multiply this now, that will give us 275, right? Equal to what? 5F. So here now, sorry, this one will give us 5.5. Sorry, this is 5.5. Yeah, sorry, this will be 5.5. 5.5 F. Yeah, sorry. So divide by 5.5, divided by what? 5.5. Yes. So that means our F will now be what? Will now be 50 kg. Our F will be 50 kg. I told you this F given in kg can be converted to what? I said it earlier before, this class can be converted to Newton. Yeah, and 1 kg is equal to what? 10 Newton. So you can easily convert if you are being asked to convert to Newton. So you can easily use this. It's equal to 10 Newton. So I believe we understand this. I promise you there will be more questions under this, complex questions. Are you with me? Please stay tuned. Thank you, and don't forget to like the page, comment. I need your comments, and if need be, please help me to share. Thank you so much.